In my last video, I have guided you through importing data from the internet into your Excel workbook. In this video, I am going to show you one of the many diverse uses of XLOOKUP function. The objective is to find out the order of a player's batting position. Here is the list of top 50 one-day international cricket run scorers. The idea is to find out the highest ratio of innings to matches played by each player. The player with the highest ratio is most likely to have played at the top position, and the player with least ratio played furthest from the opening batsman, since in many of his matches the team had won before he got a chance to bat. I hope this makes sense to you. So let's get started. To begin, we will create a new column and use our basic math knowledge to get a ratio, simply by dividing the E2 cell by the D2 cell. Then double-clicking the dark plus handle will copy and paste the formula in every cell of this column with respective values of E and D column. Next, we use our high school friend, the minimum and maximum formula, to obtain the highest and lowest ratios. And now we want to know the names and index numbers of the players who has these highest and lowest ratios. Once you start typing the first couple of letters of XLOOKUP, the formula appears. Click the tab button to complete the formula. The lookup value is the value or cell reference for which we will search the table. In our case, it is the cell containing the maximum value. So we click on that. Lookup array is the column or range of data in which the reference value is originally stored. It is the newly created column K. And the return array is the range of values in which our expected return value is stored. In this case, it is column A because we want to get the index number first. Close the bracket and hit enter. Excellent, you just did it. Follow the same steps to get the index number of the player who has the least ratio of innings to matches. The same formula is applied to get the name of the players who has the highest ratio of innings to matches. The difference is in the return array only. Now I believe you can do the rest. Well, the moment of truth. Let's go back to the original table and see if our obtained result matches the data that the table gives in the first place. Yeah, you can see we did it right, with the index number and player number both associated with highest and lowest values of the ratio. So now you know who among these players played at a lower position yet end up in this list of greatness. I will attach the datasheet in the description. You can practice and have fun. Thank you for your time.